Artificial intelligence is now making its way into the construction industry, and construction companies say it could help bring the cost down for you, the consumer. Spectrum B News 9's Fallon Silcox toured the Pendry, Tampa with Coastal Construction. She has a look at how AI is being used on the job site.
This is what a construction site that uses artificial intelligence looks like. Exactly like any other site. However,
now with AI, you're automating that entire process. So what would normally take a human, say, 2 to 3 weeks to do manually, we are now doing with a click of a button with Togal.AI. And it doesn't stop there.
Patrick Murphy is the Chief Investment Officer for Coastal Construction, the company building the Pendry, Tampa. He's also the founder and CEO of Togal.AI.
When you're on the job site, instead of having to sort through plans manually and sift through hundreds of pages to look for, say, the paint that was specified, just ask a question like you would on GPT.
In an instant, an answer to just about any question in the blueprints or plans at your fingertips.
I'm going to ask the chatbot about our window types.
We start with that, and if you want to explore a little, we can.
Nate Ripke is the senior project engineer. He says they're able to upload thousands of pages of documents to Togal.AI to refer back to.
So how many window types included on the plans? So it tells me that there's 24 different of exterior storefront windows. It gives me the labels for all of them. It gives me the link to where it found those labels at. And then it tells me that there's 3 different kinds of interior storefront windows.
Having this type of technology cuts pre-construction time by 20 to 25%, which Murphy says ultimately cuts costs for you.
Look, you can't change the land cost, you can't change the material cost, right? They're sort of outside our control. But you can use technology to reduce the amount of time in pre-construction, saving money, helping to reduce the amount of time it takes to build, and that helps all of us.
In Tampa, I'm Fallon Silcox, Spectrum News.
And the Associated General Contractors of America actually awarded Coastal Construction and Murphy with his AGC Innovation Award for creating that new AI tool, which they say saves firms tens of thousands of hours of work a year. The Florida Senate has named its next president, and he has ties to the Tampa Bay area.